Welcome to Top Review Lab. The Best Tiny Wings is probably one of the most charming and deceptively simple mobile games to grace our screens, offering a delightful escape into a world of rolling hills and soaring flights. This addictive yet relaxing experience challenges players to guide a little bird with oversized wings down a series of vibrant, procedurally generated islands, aiming for the perfect glide to reach its nest before nightfall. Its intuitive one-touch gameplay, combined with a surprisingly deep physics engine, makes it easy to pick up but incredibly rewarding to master, providing hours of engaging entertainment for gamers of all ages. Number 5. Triwing Screwdriver for Switch Joy-Con Repair Tool Kit. This professional repair tool kit is specifically designed for your Joy-Con controllers. It includes everything you need to easily unscrew, pry, and clean your device for a smooth repair experience. Crafted from industrial-grade steel, these screwdrivers offer superior durability and hardness. They are precisely engineered to fit your screws perfectly, ensuring a hassle-free and strip-free removal every time. Ideal for battery replacements and general repairs on your Joy-Cons, this kit is perfect for any DIY enthusiast. It's a great tool for technicians, hobbyists, and students alike. This comprehensive set includes two Triwing screwdrivers, Y2.0 and Y1.5, a Phillips screwdriver, plus 2.0, tweezers, a brush, a pry bar, an opening repair tool, and a suction cup. We offer a 30-day free return and replacement policy for any quality issues. Our lifetime customer service is dedicated to ensuring you have an ideal solution and a smile on your face. What we like. This kit is designed for precision repairs. If you're looking to fix your Joy-Cons or other small electronics, its durable steel bits and comprehensive set of tools make it a reliable choice. It truly makes your repairment easier. What people say. The Triwing tip fits perfectly into the screws of the Nintendo Switch, allowing you to quickly and easily remove them without any hassle. The screwdrivers in this set are much stronger. All of the tools provided and the extra screws make this well worth the money. The screwdrivers feel good to grip and easily remove the screws flawlessly. Number 4. Girls Fairy, Angel, Butterfly Wings Costume Accessory. These magical accessories will transport your child to a world of fantasy and wonder. Perfect for imaginative play, themed parties, or even as room decor, they add a touch of enchantment to any occasion. These wings encourage children to explore their imaginative minds. They are the perfect accessory for dress-up playdates, dance recitals, school plays, or even as part of a Halloween costume. Designed to fit children between the ages of 2 and 12, these butterfly wings are ideal for little kids and toddlers to flutter around in. They offer a comfortable fit for endless fun. Each pack contains premium wings in stunning shades of blue, green, pink, and purple, adorned with sparkling glitter. They are easy to wear and adjust, making them a great addition to any dress-up collection. Made with quality construction designed to last, these wings feature comfortable, color-matching straps and sturdy underwire. Your child will love wearing them, and you'll have peace of mind knowing they are durable. Add a touch of enchantment to birthdays or holidays with these adorable wings. They are guaranteed to light up your child's eyes and spark her creativity, making them a must-have for any little princess. What we like. These wings are perfect for sparking imagination and creativity in children. If your little one loves dress-up, themed parties, or just wants to feel like a fairy or angel, these are a fantastic choice. They are designed to fit children and encourage endless fun. What people say. The wings are well made and the elastic straps are generous, making them suitable for children and even some adults. The wings are not flimsy and come in cute colors that are true to the pictures. They even lasted when used as part of a Halloween costume. The wings have a nice sturdy frame with fabric stretched smoothly over it. The armbands are soft and stretchy, with no wires poking out, and they come in lovely pastel colors. Number 3. Dremmy Studios Cross Pendant Necklace. Introducing the Dremmy Studios Cross Pendant Necklace, a symbol of faith and protection. This exquisite piece is designed to add a touch of elegance to any outfit. Crafted with a luxurious 14K gold plating, this necklace offers a radiant shine that complements its intricate design. It's a perfect blend of durability and sophisticated style. Featuring brilliant cubic zirconia, this pendant catches the light beautifully, adding a dazzling sparkle. It's designed to make you shine with every movement. This necklace is adorned with meaningful symbols, including an evil eye, butterfly, angel wing, and disc coin. Each element carries its own significance, offering a sense of spiritual comfort and personal style. Embrace your faith with this minimalist religious jewelry. Its understated elegance makes it a versatile accessory, suitable for everyday wear or special occasions. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This necklace is an ideal present for women, celebrating faith, protection, and enduring style. It's a gift that will be cherished. What we like. This necklace offers a blend of faith and fashion. If you appreciate minimalist jewelry with a touch of spiritual symbolism, this piece is ideal. It's a beautiful way to express your style and beliefs. What people say. The charm is the perfect size and the quality so far of the gold color makes this necklace look like a real gold chain. It's so lightweight and was total worth the price. But it hasn't turned my neck green on the almost month I had it and the color hasn't faded. I love this necklace. It's the perfect size that you are looking for, elegant and dainty. The craftsmanship is superb as it's smooth, the chain is sturdy and a nice size. I purchased a solid gold chain and it was so thin, like why would they make a chain so thin, but anywho it's worth the bucks. I bathed and showered in it frequently and it didn't tarnish. My necklace lasted for a little over 4 years, hardly tarnished before I had to buy another one. Highly recommend and received a lot of compliments. Number 2. Wesdut 37-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. Introducing the Wesdut 37-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set, your ultimate household repair companion. This comprehensive kit includes 36 different bits to tackle any small repair job. Crafted from high-quality bearing steel, these bits offer exceptional hardness and resistance to wear, oxidation, and corrosion. The strong magnetic tips make handling tiny screws effortless. Experience comfortable and efficient repairs with its ergonomic design. The smooth swivel cap and frosted handle ensure a secure grip and easy screw removal. Keep your tools organized and protected in the small, sturdy case with a stay-shut latch. The clear bit tip pattern on the box ensures you can always find the right bit quickly. From phones and laptops to watches and electronics, this set is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It's designed to help you disassemble and reassemble a wide range of devices with ease. Rest assured with your purchase, as this micro screwdriver set is covered by Wesdut's lifetime warranty. We stand by the quality and durability of our tools. What we like. This set is incredibly versatile for all your small electronic repairs. If you frequently work with phones, laptops, or other gadgets, its wide array of bits and durable construction ensure you have the right tool. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. What people say. The quality is excellent. There are bits for almost anything used on small electronic devices, and the bits are held in place magnetically, both in the screwdriver handle itself and held in place in the storage box. Works great for those tiny screws. The bits feel like they have been somewhat heat treated for toughness. Nice storage case to keep bits in order. I have been using these for a few months and they have every tip you could possibly need. The handle is sturdy and the tips fit great. Since the case and the tips are magnetic, they are easy to remove and are not loose inside the case. Number 1. Yalikop 3D Plastic Angel Wings for Crafts. Get a large quantity of these charming angel wings, perfect for all your crafting needs. You'll have more than enough for multiple projects, saving you time and effort. These small wings are designed to look like real angel wings, complete with delicate feather textures. They're ideal for creating unique ornaments for your hair, cakes, or Christmas tree. Crafted from high-quality plastic, these miniature wings are both lightweight and built to last. Their fine workmanship ensures they'll be a beautiful addition to your DIY creations. Available in convenient sizes, these white wings are just right for decorating cakes, gift bags, and birthday crafts. They won't take up too much space while adding a special touch. These tiny wings are wonderful for decorating hats, garlands, wreaths, and more. They also make thoughtful, handmade gifts for your loved ones. Use them for Halloween, Valentine's Day, or Christmas parties. They serve as excellent props and decorations for any festive occasion. What we like. These tiny wings are perfect for adding a delicate touch to your crafts. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking for charming additions to ornaments, hair accessories, or party favors, this bulk pack offers great value. They are ideal for holiday and party decorations. What people say. These little angel wings are so cute and surprisingly well made. The feather texture looks soft and realistic, and the plastic backing gives them enough structure to hold their shape in different projects. They're lightweight, easy to glue, and the size is perfect for ornaments, party favors, resin pieces, and holiday crafts. I love that the pack comes with plenty of pieces, and the quality is consistent across all of them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.